Okay, so let's get started through our today's topic about short story. Now, what is a short story? Generally, what it describes. A short story is a brief work of fiction, or account of fictional incidents, work of fiction. Fiction is literature in the form of prose. Fiction is generally literature, that is incidents narrated which are narrated in an interesting manner in the form of the prose, especially short stories and novels. Like these short story writing short stories are generally shorter than a novel only, that describes us the imaginary events and the people involved in the stories about which we just imagines. It focuses on one plot, one or two characters with one central theme. The theme should be one central theme that at the end somebody gets to know something interesting. Like you can understand from this flowchart of the narrative writing, story writing. Like the introduction grabs the reader's attention. Like somebody is reading it, when somebody starts reading it, the introduction is given properly. First, introduction should be mentioned properly, that so that nobody gets any kind of problem in reading it. The setting for the story is described, like at the setting, proper setting, at what time, at what place, these should be properly described. Some characters are introduced, the main characters of the story are surely introduced, that what about they are saying, for what purpose the characters are involved, and what their main that comes about all. Some characters are surely introduced, give a hint of problem to come, like something, not it should be very much simple, something you can add by making it interesting, so that someone while someone is reading it, he or she should get interest in it. Like body of the work, that in the middle you can say, can be single or numerous paragraphs, like they should be given properly, focusing or talking about a single incident. Provide lot of details, adjectives, adverbs and action verbs. Grammar should be used very much properly, and we know that story should be written in past only by using was, were. The problem or excitement is outlined. The problem one can face, the story should be very much interesting and excited, but excitement one could get by reading it. All characters are introduced and described properly, that what kind of characters are involved in it, they should be described and introduced very clearly. Steps to resolve problem will be also discussed, like what problems one in the story should get, like we can at last we can get some moral values by it. Consider the sequence of events, like first what happened, secondly what happened, then next, and then next what happened. Like the sequence should be considered very much clearly. Ending is also very much interesting with a central theme, like what someone finally resolution of the problem. If somebody has faced the problem in the story, like what he got its resolution. The ending should be very much effective. Now it is not that it could be happy, startling, sad, it can be anything. Provide a final thought or message that should be given at the end of the story to someone who is reading it. Elements of a story. What generally the different things that makes up the story, and the most important elements that are included in a short story while writing a story. Plot. The plot is properly must, that focusing on a single incident. In the parts, the story has many kind of parts, what happened in the first event, then different kind of events. Characters, the people or animals, what kind of people, what kind of birds or animals. Talking about story, what comes in the story, like also talks about deeds of the people of the past. Okay, like and they could be like about the flowers or anything we can generally say. Setting is must, the time and setting. that at proper time the place and time of the story should be mentioned properly. At what place, like we see now, once upon a time there was a village, name the village, at what time in evening, or it was the time of evening when the sunset, the like you can introduce it very well. So it's must about time and setting. Theme. Next it comes about the theme, the meaning of the story, what the message you want to give to the people who was reading it. At last, what the result, the resolution came, the idea or the moral values the story presents. Now generally these plot characters are used to tell in a story. Our plot is that what happened, all about what happened in the story, different events came, what happened in that, what the result came of if something happened, characters who was involved in the story, like many kind of, there was daughter, son, there were father, mother, there was a sweet family, like characters should be introduced, and the characters which were involved in the story should be introduced properly. The setting, time and setting, where did it take place, at what time it take place, like that. Conflict, the what characters struggling within the story, the characters which were struggling, the main characters which was struggling for the story in the story. Like theme, that what lesson did you learn and what you want to give a sweet message to the people. It comes whole about this theme. Next it comes the main thing that comes is about when writing a story, the following points, what kind of the points should be kept in mind. Like one should, what for while writing it should be written in the past, and all the things that we are going to learn here. Plan the incidents before beginning, like what incidents you want in your story, how you can make your story interesting as possible. How can you make? So incidents should be planned properly, put them in a logical sequence, like at first what happened, secondly what came, like that. In the logical sequence they should be kept. Set the story in a certain time and place, like at what time in the morning they woke up, and all the time at night what happened, in morning what happened, in noon what happened. The certain time and place should be properly there, like, and the focus on a single incident about what we are talking. Also the story should be written in the past only, and story should also revolve around the center and the character. Center and character are the other things which are too much important. Make the beginning as interesting and dramatic as possible, like what problems one face in starting, like these kind of things should be properly mentioned in the story. Like beginning is as much interesting as you can make it, so that someone reads it, so at the beginning only they starting reading it, if they found interesting it, they will be continuing with it, otherwise they doesn't. So beginning you should make interesting as possible as you can. And describe the action using verbs in the simple past, past continuous and past perfect tenses. The grammar should be used very much proper, like the action verbs, adjectives, adverbs in the tenses. The proper use of tenses is also must. Include dialogues to make the characters come alive and to express their views, like usually the characters involved in it, what they want to try for, what in the story they were struggling about, what the views they want to express then. Add these kind of things. Add adjectives to describe the character so that they stand out, like to give them a proper standout position, that adjectives must be used. Also add adverbs to show the manner in which characters act and react, like in what way they say and what kind of things happened in the story. Adverbs also should be added, like at what time what happened, what incident took place, and these things are very much important, so this should be properly mentioned in the story. Use appropriate sequence markers and discourse markers to indicate the propagation in time and the action. Also appropriate sequence you should use. In the sequential order, in the logical sequential order, you should mention the characters, and so that they indicate the progression in what time, in what action and all that includes. Give your story an appropriate ending. That ending is must, and as much as possible you can make it interesting, you can. make a appropriate ending. It could be as dramatic and interesting as the beginning, dramatic as in the beginning you add, at the end also you just add the same thing, something dramatic and the interesting. Add a suitable title to the story, that whenever one starts reading it, if one finds the title interesting, he will be surely reading it. So title also you should make suitable for the story. Bring out a moral lesson, if any, that story teaches. If something good will be taught to the people, they will like to read the story. So it will be very much interesting, that moral lesson, moral education, what you can teach, what message or what good message you can give, generally it talks about that only. So this is whole about story writing. Thank you.